Hello everyone, welcome back to the Royal Beauty Secrets channel, where we unlock the secrets to living a truly majestic life. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: strengthening and restoring your hair with a weekly hair oil treatment. Our hair goes through a lot on a daily basis, and this treatment can work wonders in rejuvenating and nourishing your locks. So, let's dive right in. Before we get into the specifics of the treatment, let's talk about why it's essential to prioritize hair health. Our hair can be affected by various factors like pollution, heat styling, and chemical treatments, leading to damage, breakage, and dullness. A weekly hair oil treatment can help combat these issues and bring back the shine and strength to your hair. The first step is choosing the right hair oil for your needs. Different oils have various properties that cater to specific hair concerns. For example, coconut oil is excellent for deep conditioning, argan oil adds shine, and castor oil promotes hair growth. Consider your hair type and concerns to select the most suitable oil. To prepare the treatment, take a small bowl and pour the desired amount of hair oil into it. You can warm the oil slightly for better absorption. Now, section your hair and apply the oil from roots to tips, massaging it gently into your scalp. Make sure to cover all areas and distribute the oil evenly. You can use a wide-toothed comb to help with the application. Performing a weekly hair oil treatment offers numerous benefits. Firstly, it nourishes and moisturizes your scalp, reducing dryness and itchiness. Secondly, it strengthens the hair follicles, preventing breakage and promoting hair growth. Additionally, the treatment adds shine, smoothness, and manageability to your hair. Once you've applied the oil, leave it in for at least 1 to 2 hours, or overnight for a more intensive treatment. Cover your hair with a shower cap or wrap it in a towel to avoid any oil stains. After the designated time, wash your hair thoroughly with a gentle shampoo and conditioner to remove the excess oil. With regular weekly treatments, you'll start noticing significant improvements in your hair strength, shine, and overall health. However, consistency is key. Make it a part of your hair care routine to maintain these results and protect your hair from future damage. And that's it for today's video on the benefits of incorporating a weekly hair oil treatment to strengthen and restore your hair. Remember, healthy hair is beautiful hair. Try this luxurious treatment and experience the transformation it brings. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest beauty secrets. Visit our Royal Beauty Salon in Ghala, Muscat. WhatsApp 90149553 for an appointment. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay regal.